True power belongs to those who rise to meet it. From the echoes of legendary performance, a bike was born. A machine that refuses to give itself to just any rider. Its contours, unmistakable. Imposing and iconic. At its core beats a V4 heart, born with 168 horsepower of pure passion. Drawing the envy of the crowd, but not defined by it. When a rider proves worthy of taking the bars, it's a throne around which the very earth seems to orbit. And as they kick clear of the city line, it's said they feel like they could ride forever. If only forever was long enough. New XDiavel V4.